Welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for hashtag track campaigns. Hashtag track campaigns can be used to monitor the activity around a specific hashtag on Twitter. You can use this to see how a hashtag is trending in different parts of the globe and also monitor the type of people that make use of this hashtag. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. To get started with hashtag track campaigns, click on the create button in the toolbar, give your campaign a name and follow any hashtag that you feel like. We're just going to use fitness for this example. Retweets are excluded by default, but if you want to include them, simply tick this box. Confirm the creation of your campaign and you will now find your campaign in the table here that will list your active campaigns. If you made any mistakes while creating this campaign, you can select it from the table and click on the edit button where you can quickly tweak the name or the retweet inclusion parameters of this campaign. And if you made a mistake with the hashtag, simply archive your campaign and create a new one. To archive the campaign, select it from the table and click on the archive button over here. This will stop new leads from being produced and move your campaign to the archive tab found over here. So for hashtag track campaigns, it can take anywhere from 2 to 15 minutes for your leads to start coming in. If you go into your campaign and no leads have been produced yet, don't worry, just keep hitting refresh. They'll come through eventually. If 15 minutes have passed and no leads have come through yet, please make sure you are following a correct hashtag or alternatively contact our support. We're going to go into this campaign now. We'll see if there's some leads. There we go. Perfect. So you can now see some metrics about these posts, like what they posted, the post count, the followers count, the following count, any metrics about the post, such as if there's media, if there's location information, what our sentiment analysis AI thought about this post, and what we think the agenda is. Let's go into one of these leads, see what we find. We're going to pick one at random. Let's pick this one. So now you can see the location over here, and on the analysis tab you can find some extra statistics about this post, such as the suspected gender of the person, the sentiment that our system thinks it is, and the estimated age range of the person that posted this. If you decide that you like this post, you can engage with the person directly on Twitter by clicking on the engage button. You can send him a DM, like his post, send him a reply to this post, anything like that. And that is it for the lead section. If you want to tailor your leads to fit some specific criteria better, you can apply custom filters over here. And if you want to pause your campaign, you can click on this button over here, which will stop new leads from coming in, but keep your campaign active. And if you click on the stats tab over here, you will find overall statistics for your campaign, such as how many leads came through for every day, the location that most leads come through, the sentiment for the top 5 countries, as well as the average overall sentiment, and the average age and gender that our system thinks your hashtag is trending amongst. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the hashtag track campaigns tutorial. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.